welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then I am Arushi and I make videos on beauty, fashion, lifestyle. And आज मैं तुम लोगों को दिखाने वाली हूँ अपना Amazon haul. So yeah, things that I got from Amazon and तुम्हें भी ले लेनी चाहिए ये सारी चीजें. काफी अच्छा डिस्काउंट मिलता है यार Amazon पे. I think Amazon is like one point destination जहाँ पे सारी चीजें आपको इकट्ठी मिल जाती हैं. Also guys, इस वीडियो में सारे प्रोडक्ट्स 350 के अंडर हैं एंड दे आर सुपर अफोर्डेबल एंड मैंने काफी सारी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग चीजें लिए हैं. एंड वन प्रोडक्ट इज लाइक स्लाइटली एक्सपेंसिव साइड. आई एम गोना शो यू एट द लास्ट ऑफ द वीडियो बिकॉज दैट्स रियली स्पेशल टू मी and I really love that product. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. The very first item that I want to show you guys is this liquid eyeshadow. Now this is from Swiss Beauty and you must have heard a lot about this because it's really good. I mean, I'm using this product from so long and it's just beautiful. इसमें बहुत सारे shade आते हैं but I'm just stuck with this rose gold color because it's such a pretty shade. Put it on my lid. Can you see that? I really like it. So the next product that I got from Amazon is this one. Now you must have an idea what is this. These are like eyebrow razors. I saw like the brown daughter getting these for herself. I think she got from Nykaa, but I also saw this on Amazon, so I think of giving this a try. This is BP Bronson Professional. I have like used Bronson Professional things and they are quite good. It is like pack of 3. It was I think for rupees 200 but I got this for like rupees 160 which is I think quite a deal. कभी कभी क्या होता है ना, कहीं जाना होता है जल्दी से and your eyebrows are not done. At that time it's really handy. I won't like recommend it as a daily or a usual thing to do. So now the next thing is again very different, unique, and I'm using this for the very first time. Now you must have seen this item and ये Instagram पे इतना trendy हो गया है. I have seen like tons of reels where guys are guessing this product and I was really scared like how it's gonna turn out. If you just want to make your lashes fluttery, then this is a great thing to go for. Now this was I think for rupees 100 and for 100 rupees it's a very good thing to try out for the very first time. So what all you need to do is you just need to place this like it has this black thing जो इसको eyelashes के नीचे रखना है and if you can see like it will trap it like this and you have to press it. So yeah, it will just curl up your lashes. So I think it has done the work what is meant to do and for 100 rupees I really like it. The next item is this Lakme Insta liner. Now I have talked about this liner so many times in my video. Not this color, the black one, because it's ultimate eyeliner. It's like so inexpensive, such a good like eyeliner. It stays on your eyelid for so long and just best eyeliner that I have ever used. And I thought of buying this shade. मैंने इसको पहले कभी try नहीं किया. Definitely need to try this out. इसमें gold color भी आता है एक और green color भी आता है. So if you are looking for some color fun eyeliner, so definitely check this out. It was like for rupees 100. Moving on to the next item, something that is so important during winters. You should use it in summers too, but especially during winter you need to have it. I'm talking about lip balm. This Vaseline over there, and I think to give it a try. To be honest, I have never used this before. Okay, I have never used a Vaseline. Such a shame, guys. I saw I think Sonia Garg, who is a YouTuber, using this and I thought let me give it a try like how it's gonna be. Okay, because I have heard a lot of things about Vaseline and it is like ultimate thing. You need to have this and everyone use I think this is just for 42 rupees. I again got like discount. I'm sure I got this discount. Definitely have this Vaseline if you are looking something for cheap alternative. Now the next item is again a skincare product. I was looking for this product from so long. Now this video is kind of recommendations. I saw Shreya Jain recommending this item over on her channel in her I think best 100 rupees or best 200 rupees, something this kind kind of series, and I saw this and I wanted this from so long, and I was eyeing this on Nykaa from so long, but every time it was on out of stock. But finally I saw this on Amazon, and I got this for myself. I think I got this for rupees like 100. Purest form of aloe vera, I feel like. So far all the aloe vera gels I have used, it's very very moisturizing. First of all, it's so transparent, it doesn't have any color, okay? And if you're like using Patanjali aloe vera gel, just stop it right here. It's the worst aloe vera gel you are using. And I'm using this on my daily skincare routine. It's really helping my skin calm down, and I just put it every time, morning and morning skincare routine, night skincare routine, and I even put this on my hair. And just trust me, get this aloe vera gel and put it on your hair. It just will smooth your hair. मेरे बाल ना जब काफी दिन हो जाते हैं हेयर वॉश किए हुए, देन उसके बाद जो ऐसे फ्रीजी से ऐसे हो जाते हैं ना, बिल्कुल मैनेजेबल नहीं रहते, उसके बाद आई जस्ट पुट दिस एलोवेरा जेल एंड दे बिकम सो स्मूथ एंड सिल्की इंस्टेंटली. सो या, आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड यू टू गेट दिस फॉर यू. कांट थैंक लाइक श्रेया जैन इनफ. अबाउट हेयर्स गाइस, हेयर फॉल इतनी हो रही थी मेरी, इतने ज्यादा मेरे बाल गिर रहे थे, ये वो क्या बताऊं मैं, हर घर की कहानी है ये. एंड आई गॉट दिस हेयर ऑयल टू ट्राई फॉर माई सेल्फ. नाउ दिस इज वाओ अनियन ब्लैक सीड हेयर ऑयल. नाउ दिस ऑयल इज सच अ ग्रेट ऑयल गाइज. अगर आपकी हेयर फॉल हो रही है ना, तो बस ये ऑयल ले लो एंड यू शुड यूज इट कंसिस्टेंटली. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक बार यूज करते आपको रिजल्ट्स दिख जाएंगे. लाइक कम से कम इसको ना 3-4 बार यूज करके देखो. इट हैज रियली हेल्प विद माई हेयर फॉल, एंड इससे काफी अच्छे आपके बाल सिल्की एंड स्मूथ भी हो जाते हैं. एंड स्पेशली फॉर हेयर फॉल इट हैज really helped me. That's why I'm recommending this to you. It has like black seed oils with almonds, castor, jojoba, olive and coconut oil. It retails for ₹349, so it's not that expensive. and इसके ऊपर ये इस तरीके का कोम भी आता है जिससे काफी इजी हो जाता है आपको हेयर ऑयल एप्लीकेशन में. so yeah, definitely try this out if you are having hair oil, if you are having hair fall problem. Now, moving on to the next item, देखते हैं इसमें क्या है. okay. Now this is Derma roller. I remember this. मैंने ये पहले भी लिया था, वो मेरा गुम हो गया, उसके बाद मैंने ये दोबारा लिया है. Now Derma roller क्या करता है ना, जो आपके स्किन में पिगमेंटेशन होती है, एक्ने स्कार्स जो बचे हुए होते हैं, it helps like fade that. And I even saw like in Huda Beauty videos, she like rave about this product that it has like really helped her clear skin, like acne scars. So I thought like let's give it a try once more. And this is from the brand, कौन से ब्रांड है, इट इज अगेन फ्रॉम ब्रॉन्सन एंड इट रिटेल्स फॉर ₹500, बट आई गॉट दिस फॉर लाइक फ्लैट 50% ऑफ, सो इट वॉज फॉर लाइक ₹250. सो इट इज लाइक दिस, द बॉक्स इज लाइक क्वाइट स्टर्डी, एंड इसके बाद इट ओपन्स लाइक दिस, एंड इसके अंदर इस तरीके से ये रोलर है. नाउ आई थिंक इसमें ना काफी सारे साइजेस आते हैं जो कि यहाँ पे मेंशन है. It has like 0.20, 0.25. It is in 0.50. यहाँ पे जो टिक मारा हुआ है, and it just puncture your face and make tiny holes. Give those scars so that your skin can repair. So yeah, definitely really excited to try this out. I will let you know how it's gonna be. I have to like try this on my face first. So yeah, this was the thing that I got for myself. Like this video is a lot about experimenting, and some products are really good. I really like this, and actually Derma roller work karte hain. You just need to be consistent and cautious about using. Now the next item are actually makeup tools, and makeup tools mein brushes to be precise. Now I got these set of brush like long back, and I have tested and tried and done everything with these. And now these brushes comes in the set of 10, and काफी ज्यादा expensive price इसका MRP लिखा होता है वहाँ पे 1000-2000, but at the time of sale you can get this on like ₹299, even more cheaper than that. If you're a beginner, you should definitely start with these brushes. Now इसमें इस तरीके का फाउंडेशन ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश आ जाता है, इस तरीके से ब्लश ब्रश आ जाता है, इससे आप ब्लश लगा सकते हो, फाउंडेशन ब्लेंड कर सकते हो, ब्रॉन्जर लगा सकते हो। एक्चुअली इससे आप काफी सारी चीजें कर सकते हो एंड इससे अगेन आप अपना फाउंडेशन लगा सकते हो, ब्रॉन्जिंग कर सकते हो। इसमें एक्चुअली वन ब्रश मिसिंग है इन बोथ ऑफ द सेट, लाइक 5 आर फेस ब्रशेस एंड 5 आर आई ब्रशेस। इसमें भी 4 हैं, इसमें भी 4 हैं, वो 2 पता नहीं कहाँ चले गए मेरे। बट ओवरऑल ब्रशेस आर ऑफ गुड क्वालिटी। मैं इसको काफी टाइम से यूज कर रही हूँ, इसके कोई भी हेयर्स वगैरह निकले नहीं है। दे आर वेरी वेरी सॉफ्ट, काफी अच्छे ब्रिसल्स हैं, वॉश करने में बहुत ईजी है। एंड आई ब्रशेस में इस तरीके से ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश, पॉइंटी ब्रश जिससे कि आप ब्लेंड भी कर सकते हो, इनर कॉर्नर हाईलाइट कर सकते हो। इस तरीके का दूसरा ब्रश, काफी अच्छे ब्रश हैं ये। सो एट दिस टाइम of sale, I would highly recommend you to get next item from Amazon, I think, which I won't stop recommending you guys like ever, is this Pond Slide moisturizer. Now I have used this moisturizer from so long, and I have literally switched from the small tub to the big tub, and it retails for rupees 299, literally 300 rupees for this big tub, and now you can get discount over Amazon. And it is such a light moisturizer. It says it is a light moisturizer, non-oily, fresh feel, and it literally can work with any skin type, like dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, normal skin तो use कर ही सकते हैं। And this is how the moisturizer looks like. इसमें काफी सारा प्रोडक्ट होता है, so it's gonna go very very long. Now let me show you the consistency. Okay, it's like cream consistency and it's very very light on your face. It just get quickly absorbed into the skin and it's quite hydrating. And now the last item that I want to show you that I got from Amazon, which is on like little expensive side, is this palette over here. Now I really like this palette. This is from Makeup Revolution, Tammy X Revolution, like when Tammy got collab with Revolution. Now it has, I think, 2 different variety. This is Tropical Paradise palette. This is tropical one, and the other one is Carnival, which is like more colorful shades one. Now this is in this rose gold plate, and I really like its color. When I open this one, now it has this mirror, like huge mirror, big size mirror, which is like so perfect for doing makeup. Like I can see whole of my face and can zoom over here. So yeah, it's quite good. And now look at the shade over here, guys. I mean, I am totally in love with this palette. It's such a great palette, guys. If you are a beginner, you need to have this palette. I had Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette. That is, so you must have that, and it is so budget friendly. It is just for rupees 500. I just want to amp up like a next level, so I got this. It has like, now it has this all the basic shades over here, and if you want to experiment a little bit more, then it has like other shades, like really colorful shades over here. And the best part is, I even watched a video of Tammy where she was explaining about this palette, and she said that these are like 3 transition shades for different skin type people. So yeah, if you are any skin type, you just need to have this palette. If you are a pro, if you are amateur, if you are just a beginner, you need to have this palette. And I totally love this palette. I think it is such a buy from Amazon, and I got a huge discount on this. Show you some swatches. Let's pick this one, this one, this one. Look at this. So it's quite pigmented and it's not chalky. Makeup Revolution is a well-known brand. Their eyeshadow palettes are really really good. So I really like this. Like I want to show you some matte shades too, because I really like this palette. I can't show you my excitement right now. When I received this palette, I was like sleeping with it literally, and I couldn't get over this. Like, look at these shades. So pigmented. So if you are looking for a palette na, if you are a beginner, if you are looking for a palette that has like everything in it and you don't want to spend a lot of money, then definitely go for this. It has like highlighting shade, it has bronzing shade, it has everything. If you want to do a basic eye look, it has that. If you want something for party, it has that. So yeah, definitely worth buying this palette, and it is like one of my best buy in this entire collection. So yeah, those were all the items that I got from Amazon. I have been using some of them and I'm really looking forward to use some of them, and I have recommended you what you need to buy from Amazon. Amazon is such a beautiful place. I'm gonna order a lot of things from Amazon and share with you guys in future. If you really like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up and enjoy the किया ही होगा यार haul video वगैरह. So subscribe कर देना channel को and bell icon भी दबा देना ताकि notification पहुंचती रहे तुम्हारे पास time to time. And yeah, if you like anything from this haul, जो सारे links हैं वो मैं description box में दे दूंगी. एंड कमेंट करके मुझे जरूर बताना कि तुम्हारी फेवरेट आइटम क्या थी इस पूरे हॉल में से. सो या, आई विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन, गुड बाय.